Hello guys, how are you doing? This is Miss Sheerin and I'm here to teach you American English. Today's lesson is Idioms Part 2. So, let's begin. Let's first remember what is an idiom. And you're gonna find it in the first part. The idiom is a group of words in a fixed order that has a particular meaning that is different from the meaning of each word on its own. Or another meaning. An idiom is a word or phrase which means something different from its literal meaning. Let's begin with the first idiom today. Number 1 is not my cup of tea. So let's find out what does it mean. So are we talking about our favorite drink or favorite tea? No. Not my cup of tea is something that someone doesn't like doing or is not interested in. Examples: action movies are not my cup of tea. I don't like watching them. Or, the play was okay, but it wasn't my cup of tea. I felt a little bored. Another example: Chinese food is not my cup of tea. It's a little greasy. Number 2 is keep your shirt on. So what do you think? Meaning, keep your shirt on. It means to not lose your temper and to stay calm. Examples: keep your shirt on. Your car isn't even scratched. Another example: aren't you ready yet? Keep your shirt on. I'll be ready in a minute. The next idiom is the elephant in the room. What does it mean? So, are we talking here about a giant elephant standing in the middle of the room? And why should we talk about it? Let's find out. Of course not. Meaning, if you say there is an elephant in the room, you mean that there is an obvious problem or difficult situation that people don't want to talk about. Examples. No one to bring up the elephant in the room about Joe's expulsion from college. Another example. The fact that his 35-year-old brother was still living with his parents was a big elephant in the room at every family gathering. What about the next idiom? Number 4 is barking up the wrong tree. So, are we talking about a tree with barking dogs around it? Why that for? Let's find out. Of course not. Meaning, it means that someone is following the wrong course of action, asking the wrong person, or making the wrong choice because their beliefs or ideas about something are incorrect. Examples. Did you hear that Sam is trying to get a raise from his supervisor? Yes, he's barking up the wrong tree. Only the manager can give him a raise. Or, if you think that we do want another war, you're barking up the wrong tree. Number 5 is a blessing in disguise. What does it mean? Let's see. Meaning, it means a good thing that seemed bad at first. Examples. Losing the job was a blessing in disguise because it led me to start my own business. Another example. When her boyfriend dumped her up, it was a blessing in disguise for Susan, for otherwise she would never have met the man who's now her husband. Thank you a lot for watching my video. For online courses, please drop an email to ms.sheerin.amin 181079@gmail.com, or send a message to ms.sheerin.amin American English on Facebook, or simply you can send me a message on my account on Instagram, ms.sheerin.amin. Finally, don't forget to put each idiom from what we took today in a sentence of your own and leave it below in a comment. See you next time. Bye.